What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So going straight in, we're going to use Benefits Porefessional and just use that in all areas where the pores are large and apply it. And yeah, I like this how it makes the skin blur too. That's pretty cool. Then next I'm going to take my Shiseido foundation and apply that. And then I'm going to blend it in using my Makeup Forever 154 brush. I actually forgot what shade this is in the Shiseido foundation, so I'll have it linked in the description box. Next, taking my Juvias Place concealer in the shade 10, and I'm going to use that to make squiggly lines. And then I'm going to take my Too Faced concealer in the shade Chestnut and apply that and mix it in with the other concealer just to create a concealer that's more of my shade or that's not as bright. But I always end up with this concealer, less is more, and I keep finding that out, but I keep forgetting not to put a lot. So now I'm just blending it all in, and as you guys can see, it's so much concealer just everywhere, spread it. So that's the good thing about the Juvia's Place concealer. It's literally going to give you so much for so little, if that makes sense. Then I'm taking my Juvia's Place shade stick in the shade I forgot the name of the shade. I can't pronounce it. But yeah, I'm blending that all in around the perimeter of my face. Then my nose. So next I'm taking my Plouise base in the shade number 5 and I'm applying that underneath my brows just to scope my brows out and prepare my lids for my eyeshadow. Then I'm going to blend that down to the lid. Then I'm showing you guys my Jules by Coke bead and I'm doing a little, feeling myself. And then taking the Jackie Aina palette, I'm using the shade, I don't even remember. I think I showed you guys the shade, but I forgot the name of it. But it's like a brown shade. What is that? I still couldn't see it. But I'll have everything listed in the description box for you guys to check out. So I believe I'm just packing that brown shade and then I go in with Big Wig. I remember this color because it's funny. And then I'm taking Big Wig and I'm just blending it out and I'm blending both those colors together on my lid. Then I'm taking the shade Dualas, I believe. I believe that's the shade. And I'm applying that on my lid. If it's not Dualas, it's the green shade in the palette. And then I'm taking Big Wig again and applying it on the outer part of my eye. And also applying that underneath or my waterline or my lash line. Filling myself once again. And then taking Colourpop. Wow. And applying it underneath my eye. Down the bridge of my nose. On my chin, on my forehead, all the places where to go, where you want to bake. I did some new stuff this time. So I applied the powder, then I went in and I dusted it off, which you guys will see. I applied the other powder too that's a little closer to my foundation shade. So it's like a face powder for me a little bit, but I use it to contour. Then I take the Sephora Micro Smooth, is it Micro Smooth? Yeah, powder, and then I apply that to dust off the powder that I applied. And that worked. It just looked real nice. So then I take my Makeup Forever Pro Finishing Powder. And this is actually a powder that I used as my face shade. And I use it to kind of like contour the perimeters of my face to bring that color back. So that's just a tip. Then I'm actually going in and applying bronzer. So this is the Black Radiance Bronzer in Ebony. Then taking Milani and Dulce Pink and applying that to the apples of my cheeks. Taking Wet n Wild highlighter and Crown of My Canopy and applying that. And this one has like a pink undertone. I really like it. This is the NYC eyeliner, and as you guys know, this is discontinued. I really wonder why they discontinued this eyeliner. Really, like, I'm so confused about that. But mine's is holding on until further notice. So I'm just making me a wing. And then I pop another shade into my tear duct. I do not know what shades I use. Wow. And this Wet n Wild eyeliner is the bomb. Like, y'all gotta get it. This is NYX. I do not know the name of these shades. And then this is also NYX. This is the NYX Suede Lip in Lingerie. And then I go in and apply Aladdin collab with MAC on the lips. And now I'm applying the setting spray. And now I'm feeling myself, period. Yes, sis. And this is the end of my tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed. Love you guys so much. And I'll catch you guys in my next tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.